Adiel Gorel has helped thousands secure their retirement riches. Even the great Warren Buffett wrote him needing to know more. The answers are all here for you. Welcome to the Remote Control Retirement Riches Show.
Inflation and debt, your new best friends? Most people would associate these words with something negative, but it's really true. Inflation and debt could be your very best friends because inflation makes the prices of everything go up all the time. The price of furniture, the price of avocado, the price of rents, the price of everything. But in the United States, we have a gift called a 30-year fixed rate loan where neither the payments nor the loan balance ever go up with inflation, while everything else does. That means now inflation is becoming very friendly to you because when you have a fixed rate loan and everything else goes up, but your loan stays the same, your loan becomes smaller and smaller. Inflation is eroding your loan in real dollars, building your wealth month after month, year after year. And since you usually would have that loan, the fixed rate loan on a rental home, you don't even make the loan payments. The tenant does. So now inflation and debt conspire to make you wealthy every year. And you could be enormously wealthy within a certain amount of time, which I'd love to talk about more. Thanks for joining me today. Click the subscribe button for more video on real estate. Got a question or comment? I love questions and comments. Leave yours below. And here's another video you've got to see.